Hey everyone, it's Marianne from Experian, and today I'm going to talk about how to write a check. Writing checks isn't as common as it used to be. Think of it as the precursor to the debit card, but it still has its place. Whether you're paying your rent or giving to charity, knowing the right way to fill out a check can help ensure that your payment goes through as planned. It's easy. Here are the simple steps to write a check. First, write the date on the upper right-hand corner of the check. You can also put in a future date. Just keep in mind that some financial institutions might process the check before that date, so be sure you have those funds in your account just in case. Next, put in the recipient's name. On the left side of the check, you'll see a line that says pay to the order of. This is where you'll indicate who is receiving the check. After that, fill in the dollar amount. To the right of the payee line, you'll see a dollar sign next to a little box. This is where you'll write in the amount of the check. Next, spell out the dollar amount right below the pay to the order of line. This helps prevent someone from altering the value of the check, and it also just helps ensure that the check is processed accurately. You can also put something on the memo line if you wish. On the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a line where you can write in what the check is for. So if you're paying a utility company, you might write in water bill. This step is totally optional, but it can help you keep track of your spending. And when the payment clears, your bank will likely post an image of the check within your online statement. Finally, sign the check. Your check won't be valid unless it has your signature on it. On the lower right-hand corner is a line for you to sign your name. Just make sure that your signature matches the name that's printed on your checks. In other words, don't use a nickname. After you've written your check, be sure to account for that payment within your own budget. Otherwise, you might not remember that those funds are scheduled to leave your account. Back in the day, people used an actual checkbook to track their spending. But these days, you can treat a pending check like any other upcoming expense, kind of like a scheduled automatic payment. For more on how to write a check, see the link in the description box. See you next time.